Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am back with another informative video. So the topic of discussion is how to make money from the data analytics and the AI driven software. So how to use AI analytics to increase revenue. It is an overstatement that artificial intelligence has taken the business world by storm. The versatility of the new machine learning and the AI tools allows innovators to leverage them in novel technology and established tools alike. Companies are incorporating AI into the most digital processes. However, the ubiquity of the AI begs the question, how can businesses implement AI technologies to achieve the most significant effect? At Canadian, our teams of implementation experts help organizations for the plan for and integrate new technologies. We deal with the latest technological innovations across the different industries and applications, giving us detailed insight into the best practices based on the detailed knowledge of the AI. This article offers a comprehensive guide to use the data analytics. So here we will discuss that what is data analytics, how businesses are leveraging AI and machine learning for the analytics, and how AI and is AI a replacement for the data analyst, and how to use AI analytics tools to generate the actionable insight that drive revenue. What is AI data analytics? AI can mean many different things. The highly intelligent and the advanced digital tool powered by the artificial intelligence and the machine learning serve a wide variety of the function, with analytics being one of the subcategories of AI most broadly useful to the businesses. AI data analytics refers explicitly to use different artificial intelligence technologies, particularly machine learning algorithms, to analyze and interpret the complex data sets. AI enabled analytics tools offer more efficient processing and the deeper insight into the large volumes of data. These solutions can automate the extraction of meaningful patterns, predict outcomes, and most decisions with minimal human intervention. There are several different categories of the AI data analytics. The first one is predictive analytic, using historical data to predict the future outcomes such as customer behavior and market trends. Perspective analytics, offering recommendation based on the data analysis to help businesses take informed action. Then machine learning, automatically improving and adapting analysis based on our new data without manually programming each change. Deep learning, using advanced neural network to analyze data with complex structures like images or sounds. Ability to handle vast and diverse data sets quickly and accurately makes AI data analytics invaluable for the business seeking to leverage their information for competitive advantage. Embedded AI analytic tools like those offered by SAP and revolutionizing the business operations by providing meaningful insight directly with the transactional workflow. These tools enhance the decision making across the various sectors and enable businesses to monitor KPIs and react swiftly without switching systems. The specific uses of the tools vary by industries and the companies, still the core functionality can be broadly outlined by the sector in retail analytics and the personalized customer experience by using the behavior and purchases data for manufacturing and the logistic. The predictive analytics help forecast maintenance needs and optimize the routes, reducing cost, downtime. Financial sectors benefit from the real-time reporting and compliance monitoring, which aid risk management and regulation adherence. These tools are improve supply chain visibility, allowing businesses to manage inventory effectively and anticipate disruptions. In human resources, embedded analytics analyze workforce data to inform performance, retention, and talent development decisions. Additionally, they support sustainability initiatives by tracking environment impact and helping companies align operation with ecological goals. Is AI a replacement for the data analyst? Yeah, recent survey for that 77% of the respondents were worried that AI would displace workers in the near future. Alternatively, the World Economic Forum estimate AI will create 97 million new jobs. These statistics seem contrary, but more new and trend emerges if you dig deeper. AI many like technology advancement came before it is not eliminating the workforce but changing the employees' work. There is no overwhelming concern among the workers regarding the use of the artificial intelligence. AI's capabilities, the automating repetitive task, uncovering hidden pattern, deep learning based decisions making, managing vast amount of the data efficiently, completing the complex task in a matter of the seconds. Capabilities they are not expected to make data analyst redundant. Instead, these tools like reshape the role. AI data analysis solutions cannot perform complex problem solving or the strategic planning at the human level. These tools may still make the basic error that require oversight. Therefore, data analysts should view these tools as enhancements to their capabilities rather than threats. AI excels at handling large data sets and can automate routine tasks such as data analysis and report generation. This automation can free up or to focus on your complex and strategic aspect of your role that require human insight, such as interpreting data in the context and make nuanced decisions. The fear that analysts will become redundant in unlikely actualized. One survey found that two-thirds of the managed service provider respondents indicate that implementing AI within their company would lead to either no change in their staffing numbers or an increase. Moreover, the Bureau of the Labor Statistics estimates that operation research analyst roles will grow 23% between the 2022 to 2023. At same time, market analyst roles will grow by 13%. However, the introduction of the AI tool significantly change role that analysts must learn how to effectively leverage AI to remain a valuable force for the employers. Analysts can stay relevant by adapting to these technological changes and leveraging AI to handle routine. Globally, the AI market is projected to grow at CAGR of 36.6% from 24 to 23. This adoption rate suggests that AI tools will become standard for the business in the next few years. The companies that do not harness these tools will falling behind. So that was all about the topic. Hope this will have been beneficial for you. Do subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.